Hello everyone, this is A&D Mortgage and we're on Broward Gold Coast Tradeshow.
We're going to walk around asking people some questions. So let's go walk around. Let's go take a look. How are you addressing the concerns with the rising housing prices and that effect on the mortgage market?
Well, there's really not anything I can do about the rising housing prices going up, but we look again at interest rate buy downs or affordability, or again maybe programs where there's additional down payment assistance to buy down the rate, give funds of 20%. So you just have to kind of just roll with every program and be very creative and identify that with your borrower as well.
Well, definitely that is an issue nowadays. And, we have every product out there, non-QM as well, for those borrowers. So basically, all those self-employed borrowers that are looking to buy a home, we can always do it with bank statements. Using your company, using A&D is a great, hey, there you go. They have bank statement programs, BDCR programs, and also some, P&L only, stuff like that. Alternative financing is the way, right, in order to help borrowers be able to afford housing nowadays because of the interest rate.
Absolutely.
Hopefully they will refinance in the future, all right?
We've actually really been seeing values still holding up here self-order. I know it's not the general for the U.S. in general. Obviously, we see the news and we do see some things that are definitely on the downturn, but self-order market is still hot. Values are still there. We're still seeing properties appraise, and the market is still hot down here. People are still purchasing homes.
Fantastic. With the rising interest rates of where we're at right now, What is your company doing to support borrowers and find affordable housing options?
Well, we look at the sources as far as down payment assistance programs. We also look at ways of down payment through maybe gift funds or grants, or even employer assistance. So anything that we can kind of put together. Of course, the minimum down payment of 3% with Fannie or Freddie, or 3.5% with FHA. Also, the USDA program at 100% is out there. Yes.
That's the
We're definitely doing a lot more shopping and more, how do you say this? We're reaching out to more lenders and trying to make more connections to see if there's better programs out there, trying to compete more for the clients. Since there are brokers, we could definitely shop for the clients. So we're doing more shopping than we used to do. We're actually really working that much harder to try to get the clients the best rate, the best programs that exist for their needs. And we definitely are, there's a lot more back end work being done now with how the market and the industry is to be able to help these clients hold homes.
Usually right now, my goal is to get people in the house. That's the primary goal, is if you can get in the house, rates will always fluctuate up and down.
Absolutely.
But yes, they'll always fluctuate up and down. So as long as you're able to qualify, get in a home, then next we're able to refinance if that price drops down. But if it goes up, you feel more civil and safe.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you deal with a lot of first-time home buyers. Affordability is, I'm sure, a concern. So how do you address that? Are you working on educating them on product options? Or are you working more with realtors to educate them on available products that maybe they didn't know existed before?
Yeah, actually what we're doing, especially, I have an affiliation with a real estate company, so we're doing first-time home buyer classes.
Excellent.
And asking them to take the certification classes through, again, the Housing Finance Authority in our local market. So I think education's just the key.
Well, actually, we partnered up with Miami-Dade County and Florida Housing, helping borrowers obtain, the hometown heroes.
Right.
Also, Miami-Dade Economic Advocacy Trust up to $28,500 in down payment. There's another one for housing that is up to $35,000.
Right.
So we partnered up with those to be able to offer that to borrowers.
For today's current market, we are definitely leveraging a lot of different programs out there, specifically like grant programs, Hometown Heroes programs, albeit all football, Hometown Heroes in the state. That's one big area where we've been leveraging these programs and these grants that have been put in place to be able to help these buyers.
Okay.
Actually, a lot of buyers from out of the countries, because they see a good opportunity in Miami, Florida.
Right.
A lot of tourists, a lot of people coming from inside United States also to Florida. So as long as the demand maintains, the prices are gonna be stable or even go up.